Now let's review the two techniques that make up the second practice called structure. Technique 1 is keep it simple. KCS prescribes a specific structure or format. This format provides context for the content, it improves readability of the KCS article, and promotes consistency. From our observation, we've found that any situation or issue can be broken down into the following categories or sections. The first section being the issue, which is sometimes called the symptom, question, or problem. In this section, it's all about capturing the situation in the customer's words, like what are they trying to do or what's not working. We should capture the exact error message, question, or symptom. The next section is the environment, which is used to capture the products and services the user has or interacts with. Things like platforms, the infrastructure and its architecture, as well as product releases and versions. In this section, we're interested in knowing how they are configured and if anything else in the environment has changed recently. Moving along to the resolution section, sometimes referred to as the fix or answer. The resolution contains the answer to the question or the steps required to resolve the issue. Now, it's common to have two subsections in the resolution, one to specify the technical resolution and the other for a customer-friendly resolution. Another section is the cause, which is used for capturing the underlying source of the issue. Now, this can be optional and is typically more valuable when solving problems or defects. Finally, there's the metadata. These are the attributes or information about the article itself, such as the article state, the date created, the number of times the article has been used, modification history, and the date last modified. Now, by capturing the information in this structure at the start of the incident process, we are creating knowledge as we go. And this information will be used to search the knowledge base for known articles. By accomplishing this, we reduce problem-solving time and ensure that new KCS articles build on and integrate with existing knowledge. Ideally, if this structure is seamlessly integrated into our call or incident management tools, we can actually capture information in the correct area of the KCS articles at the same time that we're working on the issue. We can increase efficiencies even further if we teach our support analyst to replace taking notes on paper with actually recording it into the KCS article. Most of us capture key points while we are talking to the customer, especially if we have a sense that this is a new issue. New issues should be captured in a work-in-progress article, otherwise known as a WIP article. Now, there's a number of reasons why we want to take notes in a WIP article. Firstly, if an article about the exact issue doesn't already exist, we are actually creating it seamlessly as part of the incident management workflow. Secondly, we are creating our notes in a readable and standard structure. And thirdly, if somebody else is working on the same or similar issue, they are likely to find the WIP article, thus avoiding redundant work due to collaborating efforts on solving the issue. Once the issue is understood and the resolution is known, we should review the content captured and refine the environment statements to be sure that they are relevant. Relevant environment statements are critical because this is how we distinguish and differentiate articles with similar symptoms but different resolution and cause. If appropriate, we should update the cause field. The most important benefit of the simple structure is that it improves readability and usability. Also, some search technologies can take advantage of the structured content and improve the relevance and success of their search results. For customer self-service solutions, which are usually online, the value of a KCS article may be improved by including links to documentation on basic product concepts and functionality. Links to supporting information can help us write articles to the competency levels of the general audience. Those who are novices can follow the links for more information, while those who are more knowledgeable in the area will be able to use the article without having to wade through documentation and having to read things that they already know. Now we will discuss KCS article structure and KCS article quality in more detail in Practice 6, which is Content Health. Now the key point of the Keep It Simple technique is that consistent and simple structures help with the process of creating new articles or modifying existing articles.